hand, and the muscles, the tendons, and neurovascular supply of the hand, both the anterior, the palmar surface, and the dorsal surface. The palmar is also referred to as the volar surface, palmar, volar, and this part here is the dorsal surface of the hand. Okay. So what we see here, primarily, it's composed of, like I said, there's muscles, right? We can see the muscles. We can see these muscles, okay, both anteriorly and dorsally. We can also see muscles over on this side too. Okay, the things that we see on the dorsal side, these are primarily the interosseous muscle, dorsal interosseous muscle. The rest of the muscles that we're going to look at in the hand, which are involved in the, and is categorized as the intrinsic muscles, okay, and they're located in the volar side primarily. So the muscles that we look at the dorsal side here, okay, on the dorsal side, like so, we can see the muscles here, and there are primarily the dorsal interosseous. Okay. For instance, can you see the lumbricals from the dorsal side? No. Can you see the adductor pollicis brevis muscle? No. Okay. Palmar interosseous? No. So the only muscles that we see here is the dorsal interosseous. The dorsal interosseous muscles. Okay. Lumbricals, for instance, they are all located in the palmar side. Okay, the palmar side of the head. What else do we see? We can see the white structures. The white structures, which are the tendons. Everybody look at the tendons. They are the white structures. So basically, the tendons come from the muscles, of course, and these muscles are located in the forearm. So these are basically the extrinsic muscles. So these tendons belong to the extrinsic muscles. So they're not primarily located in the hand. They're located in the forearm, and their tendon extend and attach to the necessary area. So these are extrinsic muscles, okay? And we can see them. So these extrinsic muscles located in the hand. So which tendons do we see here? You can tell me which tendons do we see in the hand region? Flexor what? Tell me the exact name of it.
Flexor digitorum superficialis.
Flexor digitorum superficialis, good. What else? Flexor digitorum profundus, right. Okay. And pollicis.
Pollicis longus.
Right, pollicis longus. Flexor pollicis longus. Now, read the radialis and ulnars. They're attached to the carpal bones. Okay, so they're not located in the hand. Okay, so we're talking about the tendons located inside the hand. And also, we also have tendons located on the back. Okay, so which tendons do we see in the back of the dorsal of the hand? Extensor digitorum. Okay, and extensor digitorum has they go to the medial four fingers to the dorsal digital expansion, and they have these connections. These tendons have connections among each other, and also we have tendon that goes to the index finger, and that is called extensor indicis, right? Extensor indicis. And then we have another tendon that goes to the little finger, extensor digiti minimi, okay, or digiti minimi. Okay, so we can see that. Okay, so these are the extensor, the extrinsic muscles, the tendons of the extrinsic muscles. Okay, and one other thing that you can't see it over here, but you can see it in the big model here. I want you to be familiar with the tendons of the superficialis and the profundus tendons. If you everybody take a look at the model, the big model here. So you have extensor digitorum superficialis as it goes towards the finger to the middle phalanx. Okay, it divides into two, and the profundus tendon basically comes out from beneath, and it becomes superficial. It goes in between those two bifurcations, or those two slips, and then attaches to the distal phalanx. Did everybody see that in the model? Okay, everybody show me. Okay, Rabia. Okay, show Rabia very quickly. Okay. Carson. Everybody show Rabia the slip of superficialis and tendon. Just show it. You don't have to. Just show it. Right. Correct. Okay, next. Correct? Yes? Yeah, look at them. Okay, show it to Rabia. Show it to her. Correct? Okay. You guys show it to me. Good, good. Show it to me.
What is it?
The superficialis, the slip, the bifurcation, and then the profundus. That's superficialis, and this is profundus tendon. Okay? Did you see it? Show it to her. Everybody put it right here. Over here. Okay, I think everybody's done, right? So that's that. Okay, let's look at the palm area here. So just beneath the skin, we have a thick aponeurosis of fibrous tissue, and you can see this, and that is called
Palmar aponeurosis.
Palmar aponeurosis, right? So palmar aponeurosis is a thick connective tissue, okay? And this is important in like, what's the function of this palmar aponeurosis? Right, it gives thickness and firmness of the skin, and also enables you to have a firm grip of the objects. Okay, and so this palmar aponeurosis, as you can see, so you have a tendon that is continuous with palmar aponeurosis. What? The tendon of palmar aponeurosis. There's tendon attached to the palmar aponeurosis, or continuous with the palmar aponeurosis. A tendon. See? Palmaris longus, right? So palmaris longus tendon basically continues with, or attaches, or continues with the palmar aponeurosis, and that also gives firmness to this aponeurosis, the palmaris longus tendon. Okay, if we get that out of the way, okay, so we have two areas. We have on medial side we have the, or lateral side we have the thenar eminence and hypothenar eminence. Beneath these eminences we have muscles, thenar muscles, hypothenar muscles. Okay. Now, let's start with, for instance, the hypothenar muscles. We have, how many muscles do we have in the hypothenar eminence? Three. Okay, who can tell me? No. Just no. Hold on. Please give me the correct words of these.
Palmaris brevis, flexor digitimus brevis, ve opponus digitimus.
How about abductor?
Abductor.
No,
Abductor digitimus.
Right, abductor digitimus minimi. Okay, so we have abductor digitimus minimi, flexor digitimus minimi, and then we have the opponus. So abductors on the lateral side. Everybody show me the abductors. Abductors. And show me, so on the lateral side is the abductor digitimus minimi. Beneath that is the flexor digitimus minimi brevis. And beneath the flexor digitimus minimi brevis is the opponus digitimus minimi. Yeah, everybody show to Rabia. Quick, everybody. Show to Rabia.
This is the opponent, right?
The opponent is the most inferior. The most inferior is the opponent. Okay, so that is abductors, flexor, and beneath flexor is opponents. So we have the abductors on the lateral side. Beneath that is flexor. Beneath the flexor are opponents.
Is it on the lateral or medial side?
On the outer side, so medial lateral